ఇక డీటెయిల్స్లో వెళ్తే శంషాబాద్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నుంచి మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా చికాగోకు విమాన సర్వీసులు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. ఇవాళ తెల్లవారుజామున ఎయిర్ ఇండియా నాన్ స్టాప్ విమానం 237 మంది ప్రయాణికులతో చికాగో నుంచి శంషాబాద్ ఎయిర్పోర్టుకి చేరుకుంది. ప్రయాణికులకు సిబ్బంది ఘన స్వాగతం పలికి కేక్ కట్ చేశారు. ప్రతి శుక్రవారం శంషాబాద్ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నుంచి చికాగోకు రవాణా సర్వీస్ అందుబాటులో ఉంటుందని ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ అధికారులు తెలిపారు.
Requesting him to put a direct flight. To my surprise, he said, "Kishore, we are very much eager to put this flight, one from Bangalore and one from Hyderabad. It is up to you to get it TSA compliant." Then our team started working. We talked to your GM security, I think in Bombay, and we got all the insights into what all are the requirements. And that is where I think big thanks to our CASF team, the DIG is here, our BCAS, and also the customs, immigrations, who worked as a single in alignment, in unison to ensure that the timelines are met. Soumya from Air India also very, very keen to see that these things happen. And special mention to our technical services, IT, security, operations team, which has really worked day and night to see that the TSA compliant infrastructure is put in this, our airport. I was talking to United, but I think our Atmanirbhar Bharat, we need not depend upon foreign carriers. I think the motto of our Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Air India has taken the lead and took that entrepreneurial call to start direct flights from new destinations in India, that is Bangalore and Hyderabad. We also have one more request. In fact, I was telling the CMD that Far East, there is a lot of traffic from Hyderabad. In fact, last year I was talking to the Sydney Airport CEO. In fact, he mentioned, saying there is a lot of traffic from Hyderabad and what can we do to see that Hyderabad-Sydney flight can come and these things. So I'm sure once the Air India equipment increases, the flight equipment what they have, they increases. I think the next target would be one flight from.
And to top it all, this flight which came from Chicago had almost 95% load.